It is giant. It is filled with gases. And it is hot. We are talking about the sun. This star is at the center of our solar system. And this big, blazing ball kind of works like a garden sprinkler. When sprinklers rotate, they spray water. But the sun fires hot particles. It throws the hot solar material outwards in any direction at rapid speed. We are talking millions of kilometers per hour. And the effects of this are felt throughout the system. But there is no on or off switch for this process. How much and how fast this happens depends on a pattern. Think of it as a natural rhythm of the star. It is called the solar cycle. For centuries now, scientists have been trying to understand it. Astronomers have been tracking it since the 1600s, and here's what they have found. Solar activity typically follows an 11-year cycle. It rises and falls periodically. When the cycle's strength rises, the solar activity is high, and vice versa for when the solar cycle's strength falls. Between the 1980s and 2008, the cycle's strength steadily decreased, after which the trend reversed for the next 11-year period. Now, in the 2020s, the latest cycle should have seen another reversal. The sun should have quietened down again. But that's not what is happening. NASA has conducted a study, and scientists have concluded that our precious star is defying expectations. They say the sun is waking up, meaning solar activity is increasing. It is escalating far beyond the scientists' predictions. And this will impact us. After all, the sun makes life possible on Earth. It provides heat and light for our planet, which is the main source of energy for life. So the sun's mood swings affect us. The heightened solar activity is expected to cause more solar storms and flares. Basically, they are sudden bursts of energy from the sun's atmosphere that send radiation towards Earth. They travel from the sun at the speed of light and reach our planet in just over 8 minutes. This is expected to increase and become much hotter. And this is not good for our communication systems. They could get disrupted, with radio blackouts, damage to the satellites, GPS errors, and even power grid failures. Plus, when there is a solar storm, it sends bursts of charged particles barreling towards Earth. The stronger the storm, the harder and faster the particles come rushing. And then they bounce around in our atmosphere. With the spike in activity from the sun, this process is expected to become more frequent. And this is good news for the sky gazers on Earth, because solar storms unleash spectacular displays of the northern and southern lights. But the amazement aside, this process will also have a profound effect elsewhere. Charged particles emitted by the sun can also disturb the Earth's atmosphere. This is especially hazardous to spacecraft and astronauts. So why is the sun acting up? Why has the sun's cycle quietly changed? Scientists don't have the answers yet. After all, the sun may be a daily visitor, but its many mysteries continue to leave us hot and bothered.